Hey guys, here's a quick guide on how to install Wicked Whims, whether you're using a Windows PC or an iMac. First open your browser and type in wickedwhims.com. Hit enter, and once the site loads up, look for the download icon and click on it. You'll want to do this before downloading any animations. Now, on the download page, you'll notice a date listed just below the Wicked Whims name. That'll show you the version you're about to get. For example, if the last update was on March 1st and today's March 11th, that means the version is current and ready to go. Next, you'll want to click the itch.io link, which will take you to the final download page. Once there, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll spot a purple download button, click that, and the file should begin downloading, usually appearing at the bottom of your screen. I like to click the arrow next to the file to open it directly, but you can also head to File Explorer if that's easier for you. Once you're in File Explorer, select Downloads. Find the Wicked Whims zip file, right-click on it, and choose Extract All. If you're on Mac, just double-click. It'll turn into a blue folder automatically. Once it's extracted, a folder will pop open. If not, go ahead and double-click it manually. Inside, you'll see another folder called Wicked Whims Mod. That is the one you're going to drag into your Sims 4 mods folder. Not the entire extracted folder, just that inner one. To do this, right-click your screen, go to Documents, open Electronic Arts, then click into the Sims 4 folder. While you're here, make sure to delete the local thumb cache file. Also remember, install the mod while your game is closed. Now open the mods folder and drag the Wicked Whims mod folder, the inner one, right into it. When you check inside the folder after dragging it in, you should only see the Turbo Folders files. If you're seeing more than that, it means you dragged in the wrong folder. Just go back and fix it. Once that's done, it's time to tweak your game settings. Open up the EA app, or Origin if you're using a Mac, and go to Settings, then Application Settings. Turn off automatic application updates. That way your Sims game won't update and break your mods. After that, launch The Sims 4. Once inside the game, go to Options greater than Game Options greater than Other. Enable custom content and script mods. If you see green check marks, that means it's working. Click Apply Changes, then exit the game and restart it. You'll know Wicked Whims is working when you click on a bed or a sim and see the Wicked Whims mod option appear. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to install Wicked Whims. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate you guys. Thanks again.